or depression. It says a sightseer on a vacation looks down into a deep canyon using binoculars. The angles of depression to look at the far bank and the near bank of the river are 61 and 63 degrees respectively. That just means in order. So looking all the way at the front or the back end, we got 61. Looking at this end, we got 63. If the canyon is 1,250 feet deep, how wide is the river? So we're looking for this value. All right, now they have this labeled with X's and Y's, and that's just confusing. I'm going to scratch this out, and I'm going to do it as we learned with sequences in series. We'll call this X1 here. X1 is going to go from there to there, and X2 I'm going to refer to as this distance from there all the way across to there. So this will be X2. This is our Y. So to solve this problem, we need to find our X1 and our X2, and we'll subtract the X1 from X2 to get the distance for the river. So we're given a Y value, we're looking for an X. Which one uses Y and X? Psi Y, cos X, tangent is Y over X. So tangent. I'm going to use tangent, and we'll first find this X1. The X1 has this angle here, 63 degrees. So now it's 63 degrees, and you can see this is connecting to the x-axis, which means if I solved appropriately, this would also be 63 degrees right here. Now, why does that work? Because 63, you'd subtract from 90, and you would get 27. And then again, you would subtract from 90 and get 63. So that'll be there. This is 61 right there. So since those are on the x-axis there, they'll be on the x-axis here. So now coming back, we'll say tangent of 61. No, I'm sorry, we're doing 63 right now. Tangent of 63 degrees will equal y, which is 450, over our x. And 63 is on the triangle that has x1. Now, this is in feet here. Again, we want the unknown on top. So what's the reciprocal of tangent? It's cotangent. So cotangent of 63 degrees will equal x1 over 1250. We're a step away. We just multiply both sides by 1250. I go to my calculator. And so 1250 times the cotangent of 63 degrees gives us, it's 636.9 feet. 636.9. So x1, when we cancel that out, equals, was it 636? I already forgot. 636.9. Okay, and we'll basically do the same thing for the other length. We would say that tangent of 61 degrees would equal 1250 over x2. So it's basically the same thing, except we're now changing to the 61 degrees for this bigger triangle. So which means I'm going to end up doing 1250 times the cotangent 61 degrees to find my x2. So we'll type that in the calculator and see what we come up with. So I have 1250 times the cotangent, and all it's changed is 61 degrees. I'm going to have my pi, press the degree button, and get my value. This is 692.9. 692.9. So if I want to know the width of the river, I just subtract these two. Well, I can already see that the decimals will go away. That's nice. So the river will equal 692.9 feet, excuse me, minus 636.9 feet, which will give me, when I subtract that, this becomes a 0. That, I need to take 1 away here. Take 1 away, make that an 8, and put a 1 there, so that becomes a 6. 8 minus 3 is 5, and the 6 is canceled. It is 56 feet wide. That's my width of the river. And that's how you'd use two angles to solve for a missing value.